was our yesterday project to repair VMIII 5000. Okay, now I am just holding my mobile phone in my selfie stick. Okay, now just we need to talk about for this. This is the BYJ board, as you can see here. Here the BYJ. Okay, BYJ VM3. Okay, yesterday when I was checked this, but this inverter was completely silent, and this is my third board to repair this type of board, this combined board. As you can see, this is completely combined. The inverter specification in is 5000 watts, 48 volts operating system, and 450 volts PV voltage is supported. And in 4 years I was received, this is my third board for repairing, but this inverter was completely silent when I was checked this. So I was decide yesterday, first I need to research about this, why this is board completely silent. So yesterday I was spent in this board approximately 4 hours, and after that I need to tell you about the troubleshooting quickly, because I don't want to waste your time. And next time when I received this type of board, so I can easily solve this issue. But yesterday I spent in this 4 hours. The main reason is one thing I am showing you, because in the live stream the research is very difficult. So first I researched on this, why the board is completely silent, because the control drive card was ready and everything is ready, and then why the board is completely silent. So here I am telling something for the switching power supply to start the inverter display and everything. Okay, this is the switch strap. Okay, as you can see, and here are installed a 12 volt Zener diode to fix the voltage for this NPN transistor. Okay, so one I found in 4 hours, this is the 12 volt Zener. The marking code is W1 and RWI. I more than focus, but I can't confirm is this the W1 or the WI. But when I search about the W1, so I found the data of this marking code 3 volt Zener diode. After that I installed a 3 volt Zener diode, but here we not received. This is the UC3845 for operating the main power supply to operate the circuit. So when I was found this short Zener diode of 12 volts, and then I check the data sheet of this little Zener diode. The size is 1206. Okay, but here I not received for the first start the UC3845 pin number 5 and pin number 7. I can't receive the starting voltages. After that I install a 12 volt Zener diode, and after that I receive pin number 5 on pin number 7 14 volts. So after that I was sure now coming our starting voltage. After that I was found at this first unit. If you are repairing the inverter or anything in electronics repair, so first you need to check all the capacitors. Okay, as you can see here is a little bit they pull out. Okay, and I just replace this three capacitors, but the one is very important. Okay, I'm showing you. This capacitor value is 1000 UF and 16 volts. So first you need to check, don't touch your skin with multimeter pins. Okay, the value is 5.2 UF. Okay, once I replace this and another, I have 470 UF. The value is completely damaged. No any value I receive from this. And now I have one another. This is the 1000 UF, and here as you can see 15 UF value. So I just replace this 4 capacitor and this 4 capacitor. As you can see on the eyes, this is the D value, this is the D value. This side is a little bit come to this side, and this is 2. Okay, after that I run the inverter, and the inverter is now going to the part 09. Now we need to troubleshoot the part 09. But when I received this was completely silent, and this was for new research, because this was complete silent. So now I turn on. Now I am installing just the LCD. I'm installing just the LCD and switch panel to show you the fault. Okay, now I need to install the fans or feedback. And I found an approximately evening, so I was decide for this time. Okay, I install temporary pen for feedback. Now I am providing the power supply to operate the system. Now I am decreasing the voltages. Okay, I provide 50 volts for operating. Okay, now this is the LCD. Now I am connecting the switch to the inverter, and now I am just turning on. My man, the inverter is now still silent. What the issue, man, in this inverter? Because yesterday I start this and I leave this and I was just goes to home and I decide this tomorrow live stream, but this is not now turning on again. Okay, I am keeping this on the side temporary. Now I need to check and I need to install here, but first I need to discharge the DC capacitors with the some resistance. Okay, as you can see, with the some resistance. Now I need to install the screw of control drive card. And my wind pipe is a little bit, my wind pipe skin is a little bit damaged, so I am speaking a little down and down volume. Okay, now I need to provide again the power supply. It's okay, it does not matter. After that we need to clean. I think we have again, but I am starting this with manually. I think I have an issue in my switch. No, the inverter was again got in the fault. I am removing the LCD strap. Okay, because yesterday I was done this. No any starting, so we need to more search about this issue in live stream. Okay, I'm sharing with you what the issue. Yesterday I was on this inverter and now again we have issue in this. So here are coming the starting voltages. Now I need, and I am just telling you the basics of the starting. Okay, how the inverter starting up. So When I on the power switch, first we need to the power supply section, and the main thing, the first of all component is UC3845. So the direction is upside down. I need to set this, but I am telling you a pin configuration. Okay, first I need to draw the pin configuration of UC3845 to understand you. Okay, what is the requirement to start and out from the UC3845, the PWM? So now the same direction. Okay, this is our UC3845 power supply section pulse wide modulation IC. Okay, now I need to install temporary one more tab. Okay, and here, because I have no paper near in this time, this is the pin number 1, and this is the pin number 2, this is the pin number 3, this is the pin number 4, this is the pin number 5, this is the pin number 6, and this is the 7, and this is the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is our pin configuration of UC3845. This is the pin out. Okay, our pin configuration. First of all, for start, we need on this pin, this is the G and D pin. Okay, G and D, okay, are negative voltages. Okay, I need to draw this on black color. So this is our negative. Okay, and this pin on pin number 7 is our positive. Okay, and this pin number 6 is our PWM. Okay, output, this is the PWM symbol. Okay, and this pin number 1 is feedback pin. Okay, feedback, this is the pin number 1, and our pin number 2 is compensation pin. Okay, this is the pin number 2, and our pin number 3 is I sense ampere sense pin, and this is the pin number 4. This is our RT and CT mean resistor timing and capacitor timing, resistance timing and capacitance timing. Okay, so after that we have just a one pin. This is this pin called V reference. Okay, voltage reference pin for RTCT. So the schematics we will discuss later, but in this case I just draw for a better direction. Sorry. And now we need to start. First of all, on the pin number 5, negative voltages. On the pin number 7, positive voltages. Minimum voltages we required 9 or 8.5 volt per UC 3845. Okay, so first this is the pin number 1. Okay, I already draw, so I am keeping the multimeter on pin number 5 negative, and positive I was just keep on pin number 7, and now I am turning on the inverter. As you can see, we are receiving a 14 point some volts. Okay, so after that we need to keep our negative probe on the pin number 5 and our positive probe on the pin number 6. Okay, so here we need some voltages. Okay, as you can see, this is the PWM voltages. Okay, so our IC is running properly. Okay, so now I am checking what is the issue in this, because yesterday I was on this inverter and final there goes and fault 09, and now why they cannot start up. So this is a little bit hard. I installed the control drive card properly, and then why again we are not receiving any feedback from this inverter. This capacitor was very important, and yesterday and here are not, no any feedback for turning on the inverter. So after that we need to first of all decrease the voltages or completely disconnect. And now I need to discharge the DC capacitors, and after that I need to remove the control drive card. Okay, because this is very expensive. Okay, I discharge the DC capacitors, and now I need to just keep the board on another side. I need to remove the fan for easy reading. Okay, okay, this is the bottom side of board. Now I am increasing my voltages again, but I not remove. Okay, no, don't worry. I need to now just take care a little bit more. Okay, I provide again power. And now here is our very important capacitor, and now I'm just reading the voltages of this capacitor, how many voltages is coming here. So first I need to keep a switch and my another fingers, and I need to first keep a negative probe or positive probe on one thing, because here we have just for 3 seconds. Now I am turning on, and as you can see, we receive just 1.4 voltages, and this is not enough for starting. So now we need to troubleshoot this problem properly, but I am confused from where come again this issue in the night, and no anything I do, and this deviation from yesterday evening to now, I'm just decreasing again the voltages, and now I need to discharge the DC capacitor. Okay, what's the issue? So we need to more focus on this board, because this is my third board in 4 years, and this is the BYJ brand, not the Voltronic, and the Voltronic board is perfect. So first I need to remove this drive card. Okay, I'm just keeping here on safe area. Now we can work in this any risk, because I remove the control drive card, because the control drive card is expensive, and this is not repairable. So the last time, once I change this capacitor, after that inverter is on, but and this night what happened in this, PWM is ready, first starting this power supply, and after that this and something. So now I need to just check what the issue. So first of all, we need to install again the switch. Here is our switch. Okay, I'm just providing again the voltages. Okay, and after that, first we need this negative voltages, this battery negative voltages is coming to this IRF 740, coming to this source. Okay, so first we need to keep or positive probe on the positive DC voltages, and we need to keep the multimeter negative probe on this source. So we need here a provided voltages. As you can see, it's mean our negative voltages is properly coming here, and when we on the inverter, after that we need to check is the voltage is dropping or not. So now I keep on the source and I am turning on. Our voltages is proper coming here. Okay, after that we need to keep our positive probe on the cat. Okay, and the negative probe on the source for the main power supply and channel MOSFET. Okay, so first I need to keep this, and I need like this to turn on, and quickly we need to read here are coming the drive voltages. Okay, after that here are controlling the negative. Okay, so first we need to keep our positive voltage on main positive operating voltages, and after that this is the drain. Okay, so and here keep a drain and turn on the switch. Okay, here we are receiving voltages, but this is not enough for run, because this is the output. This is the output to run this transformer. This voltages is not enough to run this board. And first time I am seeing this IRF740 to install for this power supply. I also here view or look IRF 640N 48 volts and 24 volts, and IRF 630N for 12 volt systems. So now I need to learn more and search more about this issue. What is the main issue in this board? Because I was run this yesterday, and now they again doing the issue. So the capacitor I installed properly, and then why here we have this negative voltages driver voltage regulator L7912 negative voltage regulator, and I need to just replace this. First we need to measure the voltages of input and output, but we are not receiving the voltages to read this. So in this time I need to just replace. Okay. Okay, dears, take care. I am more searching about this issue, and I already told you the situation of yesterday. Okay, and now if I found more issue or more devalue components, so I am coming live again. Okay, and this is hard to find in live stream because this type of board is unique for me, because in 4 years I was just received. This is my third board to repair, and I received this in completely silent mode. Okay, so I need to more research on this and read the some topology. Okay, so after that, when I found the errors or devalue components and issue, after that I am sharing you. Okay, electrical engineering, good morning sir, thank you, sorry for late reply. Supermatic technology, okay. Oscilloscope, your IP guy. Yeah, man, I have oscilloscope, but I can read without oscilloscope the PWM with the multimeter. Okay, I have one this, and I have one this. Okay, but I can read. Okay, I can read the PWM voltages with this fluke 179. Okay, but this is not the PWM issue. Our UC3845 is providing the PWM. Okay, because yesterday I was checked with both the multimeter and the oscilloscope. Okay, but we have a big issue in this board. So once I found more errors, okay, when I found more errors, I am sharing with you. Okay, so take care until I am coming back and live stream. Bye, God bless you.